Hello everyone, welcome to my general science class. In this class today we discuss about the material and solutions. Before we study this material and solution, we must know about the matter. What is matter? A matter is anything that occupies space and has weight. For example, I have this duster. When I place this duster on my hand, I feel somewhat weight. It means matter have weight. And place on my hand, this much space is occupied by a duster. It means matter have what? Volume and occupy space. Next, matter is made up of small particles, that is molecules. When we break these molecules, the tiny particles, after breaking a molecule, their tiny particles are known as what? Your atom. This is an example of a molecule. These are the number of molecules. The space between this molecule and this molecule. Space between this molecule and this molecule is what? Your intermolecular space, and there is a force present in between these molecules. That force is known as what? Your intermolecular force. Next are the states of matter. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Here, as shown in figure, these are the arrangement of molecules in the different states. First is your solid, for example ice. In this the molecules are tightly packed. Molecules are tightly packed and intermolecular force is strong. Next is your liquid. In this the arrangement of molecules is less than this solid. Okay. For example, water. Last is our gas. These are the arrangement of molecules for gas. They are freely movable. Intermolecular force is very weak in gas. For example, steam. All these states are interchangeable by cooling and by heating. When we boil this ice, it changes into water. On further heating, this water changes into gas. Okay? And this process is reversible. When we cool a gas, it changes into liquid, and when we cool the liquid solution, then it changes into a solid. How we can prepare a solution? For this, we must know about solute, solvent. Solute is a solid thing which is going to be dissolved in a liquid. And next is a solvent. This is a liquid in which a solute is going to be dissolved to form a solution. For example, solute, I have sugar. Okay. And for solvent, I have a glass of water. For demonstration, now I prepare a sugar solution. When I add a sugar in a water, after stirring, this water becomes what? A solution. That is a sugar solution. That's how this is what a sugar solution. About a material and solutions. Hope you all understand. Stay home, stay healthy. Thank you.